Hey, what's up? So the Amazon Freedom Day sale has already started and this is the perfect time for you to go and grab a dashcam at super cool discounted price. The prices which I am seeing in this sale are similar to those what we saw in the just last month's previously closed Prime Day sale. So if you are looking to buy that really cool dash camera and save yourself a lot of money, this is the perfect opportunity for you. So in this video, I'll be showing you the list of the super discounted dash cams from which you can choose your favorite one and go ahead and grab it. So no matter which dashcam you choose to buy, the links to purchase the particular dashcam is given in the description below. Along with all the names which I take in this video, I'll be providing the links to most of the other dashcams which I probably might miss out while giving you the entire list right in the video. So do make sure to go ahead and check the description for the discounted prices and their purchase links, and along with that I'll be providing you the links for all the detailed accessories for each of these dashcams such as CPL filters, OBD2 hardware kits, suction mounts and even the regular hardware kits. And if you are interested in checking out the review videos before actually making that purchase decision, I'll provide you the links for the detailed review videos for each of these dash cameras as well. So make sure you click down on the description to find all the info which you need on this Freedom Day sale and grab yourself a dash cam with super huge discounts. You're watching Travel Tech, let's get started. So starting off the video with the budget segment, that is the under 5,000 price bracket, the most value for money dashcam, the Nexdigitron ACE 2, generally trends at a price of about 4,999 rupees, is currently available at a price of 4,749. Now do note that the SBI credit card discounts is available only for products that are above the price bracket of 5,000 rupees. So all the products under 5,000 only get the ICICI card credit discount. So in this particular instance, you get a 250 rupees discount, bringing the price of the ACE 2 GPS model to 4,749 and the non-GPS model price to about 4,249 from 4,500 rupees. Not a huge discount per se, but still you can save a little amount of money if you're planning on buying the ACE 2 dash camera. The next dash cam which you preferably should buy under the budget segment is the Dpy M200. Now this too trends at a price of 4,999, same as the ACE 2, but in this sale also gets a similar discount and comes down to a price of 4,749 rupees. Following that, the third favorite dashcam under the budget segment, the DDPAI Mini Pro, generally trending at a price of 3,999, comes to a price of 3,749. So this too gets the similar ICICI card discount, not a big discount, not a huge discount, but still a small amount of discount you can get under the budget segment. The last dashcam which I would recommend under the budget segment is the Nexdigitron Neo, probably the cheapest dashcam in this budget segment, generally trends at a price of 2,999, comes down to a price of 2,749 rupees. I mean, you're getting a basic 1080p dashcam close to a point of 2,500 rupees. I mean, what more do you want if you want to save money? And of course, you're already saving money under the budget segment. On top of it, to get some extra savings. So now moving on to the juicy part, the biggest discounts part, that is the dash cams above the price of 5,000. This is where you start to get the SBI credit card discount. The first dash cam under the 10,000 price bracket, the Dpy A500 Dual channel, generally trends at a price of about 11,499 rupees, now comes down to a price of 9,899. that's less than 10,000 rupees for a dual channel variant of the Dpy A500. Now this was a very pricey dashcam just a few months ago, and since the release of the A510, the price has come down. So this time you can go ahead and grab it under the 10,000 price bracket with a straight up 1,000 rupee discount from the SBI credit card. Following this, the most value for money dashcam under the 10K segment is the Nexdigitron Prime, generally trends at a price of about 8,499 to 8,999, now comes down to a price of about 7,500 rupees. That's a huge 1,000 plus rupee discount from the SBI credit card, and this would be the best time to get yourself the Nexdigitron Prime, which provides you a very good video quality during day and night time. It gets you a dual channel, you get a GPS, and you get an optional parking monitoring feature as well. So many features into one package. The Nexdigitron Prime is simply one of the most VFO product under the 10K price bracket. So moving on to the cheapest dual channel dashcam which you can buy under the 10K segment, the Dpy N1 Dual, generally trends at a price of about 6,999 rupees, now comes down to a price of about 5,984. That's a straight up again 1,000 rupee discount from the SBI credit card, and you won't find this kind of price drop maybe until the next sale. So this is the best chance to save yourself a huge amount of money. So if you are someone who is looking to buy a dual channel dashcam but don't want to spend a lot of money, the Dpy N1 Dual at 6,000 rupees is the right choice for you, go ahead, click on the description and buy it straight away. The next option under the 10K segment is the Dpy A200, generally trends at a price of about 7,999. Now in this Freedom Day sale, it's come down to a price of about 6,839 rupees. Again, a similar SBI credit card discount and a really cool 7,000 price bracket for a dual screen camera with a display and a 1080p HDR resolution. Following this, one of the most value for money mirror dash cams under the 10K segment, that is the Dpy Mola E3, generally trends at a price of about 9,999, that's 10,000 rupees. Now in this sale, this comes down to a price of 8,500 rupees, that's a straight up 1,500 rupee discount on the Mola E3. This is the biggest discount this dash cam has received. So if you are looking to buy a mirror dash cam with value for money features under the 10K segment, 8,500 rupees is ultimate deal for the Mola E3. Go ahead and grab it right away. The discounted prices are not going to stay for long. So that was the under 10,000 price bracket, but what about the price bracket under 15,000? Well, this is my favorite price bracket because you get the most popular and the highest selling dash cam currently in the Indian market, the Dpy A510, the ultimate dash cam for that budget, and this is the best opportunity for you to go ahead and grab this. Now in the previous sale, the dash cam was priced at about 12,999 but received a price bump and now generally trends at a price of about 13,999, that's 14,000 rupees for the A510 dual channel variant. But in the Freedom Day sale, this dash cam has received a super cool discount and is now available at a price of 11,999, that's 12,000 rupees, coming down straight up from 14,000 rupees. The biggest discounts to one of the best dash cams that's available in India right now. So if you are looking to buy the A510, this is the perfect opportunity, and I'm telling you, they are going to bump up the price again pretty soon, maybe in a day or two. So if you find the discounted price, go ahead and click on it right away and save yourself 2,000 rupees worth of money, from which you can buy maybe some accessories for this camera. So 12,000 rupees for a Starvis 2 powered camera is a steal deal, and you should not be missing this chance anytime soon. Following this, the next best camera under the 15K segment is the Dpy N5 Dual. Also comes at a price of 13,999 normally, but now in this sale it's priced at a similar 12,000 rupees. Now this is practically the same price as the A510. So basically you're getting a 4K dual camera at the same price of the A510, that's 12,000 rupees. Now you might find it difficult to decide between the two, the Dpy A510 and the Dpy N5 Dual. So I would recommend just one thing. So if you have a priority of getting the best nighttime video quality and number plate readability during night, the A510 should be your only choice. But if you have a priority of getting a 4K quality crisp footage, the Dpy N5 Dual would be your perfect choice. Now do note that the Dpy N5 Dual does lack the Starvis 2 sensor, so comparatively during low light conditions, the A510 would perform much better. Following this, under the 15K segment, the last dash cam and one of my favorite dash cams, the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. Now all dash cams from VIOFO haven't been getting any discounts lately, but in this Freedom Day sale, the VIOFO A119 Mini 2 has received a discount, and what this camera generally trends at is about 14,999, that's 15,000 rupees. Now in this sale, this camera gets a discount and comes down to a price of about 13,700 rupees. That's terrific pricing for the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. It's one of the best cameras in that segment. I would have recommended it straight away if only it had a dual channel variant. But still, the VIOFO A119 Mini 2 is a strong performer and has a strong backing of the VIOFO brand. So if you're looking for the smallest and the most compact size dash cam with a powerful performance, the A119 Mini 2 at 13.7K is an absolute steal deal. Following this, the next best option, the most value for money triple channel dash cam that you can buy in this sale is the Redtiger F17. Generally trends at a price of about 15 to 16,000 rupees. This has received a huge price drop, and now you can get this close to 13,000 rupees. Yes, the Redtiger F17, 13,000, 3 cameras. What more do you want? 3 cameras, one of which gives you 4K resolution at a price of 13K. Is simply value for money. So those who are looking to grab the biggest value for money aspect in this Freedom Day sale, the Redtiger F17 is surely something to check out. And if you do want to take a deeper look into this camera, do make sure to go ahead and check the description. I've done a detailed super awesome detailed review video of this camera. You can check that out before you want to make that purchase decision. Following this, another dash cam from the Redtiger stable is the Redtiger F7NT, the touchscreen enabled Redtiger dash cam. I've also done a detailed review video on this as well. You'll find the link to it in the description. The Redtiger F7NT, generally coming at a price of what, 14,000 rupees, now is available close to 12,000 rupees, giving a complete fight to the 70mm and the DDPAI cameras. The F7NT is also a capable camera, offering you an upscaled resolution same as the Redtiger F17, and also provides the most value for money prospect, giving you a touchscreen display which hasn't been seen in that price bracket. Alright, so following this, the biggest deal, the biggest dashcam discount deal you're going to get on a 4K StarVis2 camera is from the 70mm A810. Now this is the under 20,000 segment, and the A810 comes at a price of about 20,000 rupees in a normal sale. Now in this sale, this camera is available at a price of 17,499. That's close to a 2,500 rupee discount for the A810. Trust me, this is the best and the right time to grab the A810 if you're looking for a 4K StarVis2 combination at the cheapest price. Now the A810 is already a pioneer at what it does and performs the best during night time, and getting it at 17.5K is an absolute gorgeous deal. And trust me, the prices will be back up to normal prices very soon. So if you are watching this video right now and if you are getting those discounted prices, you need to hit that purchase button right now. Similar to the A810, another pioneering, another groundbreaking camera from the 70mm stable is the 70mm S500, the StarVis2 powered mirror dash camera, which probably no other brand has. Now this camera generally trends at a price of about 16,999 rupees, that's 17,000 rupees. Now in this sale it comes down to about 15,499, that's a straight up 1,500 rupee discount for a mirror dash camera, and many of my viewers do prefer a mirror camera over a regular one. So if you want a StarVis2 powered camera with a super awesome display and reverse assist lines, the 70mm S500 at a close to price of about 15,000 rupees is an absolutely beautiful deal. Go ahead and get it right away. I'm not going to say anything beyond that. So moving on to the next segment, the super premium segment of dash cams, where you get some of the finest dash cameras which you can buy in the Indian market, the about 20,000 price bracket segment. The starting of the segment with the Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam, generally trends at a price of about 22,000 rupees. Now in this sale you're going to get some awesome SBI credit card discount and a coupon, bringing down the price to close to 18,000 to 19,000 rupees. Now what the price is generally for the A810 dual channel, you're going to get the Vantrue N4 3-channel at a similar price. So if you want the goodness and the brand backing of Vantrue, and if you want a 3-channel coverage, the Vantrue N4 3-channel would be simply the perfect choice. And I personally tested out Vantrue dash cams and they're very reliable and very stable. I would definitely recommend going with the Vantrue N4 if you have that kind of a budget. Well, Vantrue has released an updated version to their N4 3-channel, that is the Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel. I've personally tested this dashcam and it's really one of my favorite dashcam to be used in the car. The Vantrue N4 offers you a StarVis2 camera with a 4K resolution and a HDR capability. This camera comes at a price of about 32,000 to 33,000 rupees in a normal sale, whereas in this sale the price of this camera has come down to about 29,500 rupees. That's a steep discount, and at a price of less than 30k you're getting a StarVis2 powered triple channel dashcam, and what more do you want? So if you want some of the best available video quality and a StarVis2 combination and a triple channel setup under 30k with a brand backing of Vantrue, the N4 Pro 3-channel is simply the best. And of course you can go ahead and watch the detailed review video of the Vantrue N4 Pro. You can find the link to that video in the description below. So following this, one of the most important and one of the most groundbreaking dashcams that's available in the global dashcam market, the VIOFO A229 series. Probably the only camera, and still yet the only camera in the world to get dual StarVis2 sensors, that is StarVis2 on both front and the rear cameras. Both the Plus and the Pro variant are simply the best at what they do. Currently both the A229 Plus and the Pro variant has received the biggest discounts they've ever seen in almost any of the sales. I mean, even in the last sale I didn't see any discount from the VIOFO Dashcams, but in this sale you're getting close to 1800 rupee discount. That's about 2000 rupee discount on the A229 Plus and the Pro variant. This means the A229 Plus triple channel variant, usually trending at a price of 32,000 rupees, comes down to a price of less than 30,000 rupees. That's about 29749 rupees for the triple channel variant of the A229 Plus. In case of the A229 Pro dual channel variant, it comes at about 36,000 rupees. Now it's down to close to 33,000 rupees. The triple channel variant, which generally trends at 41 to 42,000, is down to less than 40,000 rupees for the A229 Pro triple channel variant. Now this is the biggest discounts the dashcams from VIOFO have received, and if you're someone who is specifically looking to get the best dashcam that's available in the market and price is not a factor, the A229 Pro series would simply suit you the best. And in this discount, getting a 2000 rupee discount is a huge deal from VIOFO, and I really think you should not be missing this super awesome deal. Alright, so the last dashcam which I would like to discuss in this video is the Vantrue N5 4-channel dashcam. Yes, this is a quad channel setup. This means you get a complete 360-degree coverage around the car, and for the 4-channel variant, what generally you'll have to pay the price of about 35 to 36,000 rupees now comes down to a price of about 32,800 rupees. Now this is also a groundbreaking discount for a quad channel dashcam, close to 32,000, 4 cameras, 360-degree coverage, 4K resolution and a Vantrue backing. This is the perfect and the complete package from Vantrue at a super discounted price. So if you're someone who wants that complete coverage around the car, a 360-degree coverage with no areas to miss, the Vantrue N5 4-channel at a price of 32,000 is simply close your eyes and pick up deal. Don't miss this deal if you are someone who has that kind of a budget and you want that complete peace of mind to have within your car. Alright guys, this was the biggest list of the discounted dashcams that's available in this Freedom Day sale, and I'm quite sure I've missed many dashcams which you might be searching for or looking for. So do make sure to check out the description. The cameras which I have missed in the video, I might have given the link in the description below. Now if I start speaking of all the dashcams, this video will probably go on forever, so I wouldn't prefer to do that. But what I can easily do is provide you the links in the description for all the dashcams with the discounts which are currently available. And also don't forget to buy the accessories for these cameras. The links to those accessories will also be given in the description below. So the best chance to get the biggest discounts is right here, the Amazon Freedom Day sale. It's not going to last long. The discounted prices are not going to last long. Go ahead and get them right now. So finally, if this video has helped you out in saving yourself a lot of money, why are you forgetting to hit that subscribe button? Come on guys, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button, and share this video with all those who want to buy dashcams or who are interested in dashcams. They should get the chance to get the dashcams with the biggest discounts. Of course, you can also follow me on my Facebook, Insta and the WhatsApp page. The links to those are given in the description as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next sale.